How to change your name on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your name on Instagram. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now let's just jump right in. First things first, you need to go over to your Instagram application, and to change your name, all you have to do is find the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you get to your profile icon, all you have to do is tap on Edit Profile. Then, at the top of your username, you'll find your name option. If you haven't set your name, you can easily enter your new name, or if you have already entered something before, you could just cross it out and then enter your new name. So what happens is you can only change your name twice within 14 days, and your name is visible to everyone on and off Instagram. So go ahead and tap on the check mark at the top right to set your new name. And if you're sure that you want to change your name, you can there is one more notice that says you can only change it twice within 14 days. Tap on change name and you'll be good to go. So if I go back here, as you can see, it is showing my name right on top of the posts. So that's how you can easily change your name on Instagram. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.